Here's how to create a new Git branch from the vscode terminal and push it to GitHub. Open the vscode terminal and use the cd command to navigate your project folder. Let's check which branch I'm currently on. For that, run the git branch command. The branch with the asterisk is your current branch, and right now I'm on the main branch. Now to create a new branch, run git checkout -b followed by your branch name. This creates a new branch and immediately switches you to it. Now if I run git branch again, you can see the asterisk has moved to my new branch, confirming that now I'm working on it. At this point, the branch exists only on my local machine. To make it available on GitHub, push it using git push -u origin followed by your branch name. Let's quickly verify that on GitHub. After refreshing the page, you can see the new branch is now available here as well. You'll also see many developers use git switch -c instead of git checkout -b. It does exactly the same thing, it's just the newer git command and you can push it to GitHub the same way we just did. Thanks for watching everyone. Follow for more beginner-friendly Git tutorials.